Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Concube, and in this video what we are going to do is we are going to solve all the three layers at first. Okay, so I already covered this is basically solved by the 3 by 3 method only. It is similar to that only. I will be just covering it quickly. Okay, so I won't be going much into basics, and I won't be teaching you this deeply because I already taught you. So what you have to do now, we have solved all the edges in the part 2. If you haven't watched the part 2, you should go back and watch it first. So it is just like 3 by 3 now. We have aligned the edges. Now we have to just solve it like 3 by 3. So what you do in 3 by 3 first? First we make the white cross. Okay, so you have to just align the center white cross. You have to make white cross, and you can make it easily. Okay, so it was very easy to make. Okay, so now I make the white cross. Now what I'll do, I have to make the second layer, second and third layer. If I talk it in the 3 by 3 term, it will be second layer and it will be combined also. So I am calling it second layer only. Okay, because we are solving it like 3 by 3 only. So there are two methods to solve the second layer. Either you can solve by beginners method or CFOP method. I have covered both of them in detail in my previous videos. You can check out their links in the description. Either you can go solve it by beginners or by CFOP method. CFOP is an advanced speed cubing method. Okay, so what you can do, I already found the aligned edge with the corner here. So what I can do, I can just easily put it over here. Okay, so now I will be seeing the second piece. Okay, so this piece I will be solving it by beginners method. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first solve the first layer. Okay, I put it here, and then you align the second piece by this formula which I have already taught, this one, and now you can align both of these. Okay, and now I will be doing it by F2L. So how you do by F2L? You can see where's the piece. Okay, you can see this is the case. In this case, what will you do? You have to just rotate it 2 times and then put it up and again align it with the F2L case, which will be good. It is also the kind of advanced F2L, because in the F2L, basic F2L, you need both the pieces at this row only, but in the advanced F2L there are some advanced move which you can commit to make a F2L piece in a lesser move and in short time. Okay, so what you can do in this case, you can rotate it with two times. Okay, put it back here. Oh, sorry, you have to hold like this cube. Okay, I was just holding it in the wrong position. So what you have to hold the cube from the white side which is facing towards you, and to remember this case, you have to see that these two should be opposite one and this should be at the up, and by practice you will intuitively know about it. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just rotate it 2 times when this case comes, so it can come here. What you can do, you can put it upstairs and then rotate back, so that you have to put this row down so that it won't get messed up. And now what you can do, you can just align this piece with your matching piece, matching color, and you can easily align it with this edge and join and then back. So it saved you a lot of move. Otherwise first you have to put it upstairs and then you have to see whether which case of F2L it is making, and then align the pieces and then putting it back in the position. So it was a long procedure. So this is the part of advanced F2L, and I'm going to make one video on it also, so that you save time in F2L also. Okay, and now we are left with last piece. So this is our last piece. What I can do, I can just solve it by beginners method. Okay, and then align it. Okay, so this was all about this part. We were solving this part, and it was same like the 3 by 3 only, but I covered this so that it will be a complete tutorial. I don't want to lie you down in between of the tutorial. Okay, so in the next part I will be showing you the OLL parity and for the surprise being, we came the case of the OLL parity also from this also. So in the next case I will be showing you how to solve such parity, because this parity cannot be solved with your this formula. Okay, sorry, I messed up. So by this formula, by which you use in 3 by 3, it cannot be solved. So there is one unique formula for this, and this is called the parity case. This case when you want to make cross, but you are making the shape like this. Okay, double L, which I call. Okay, so in the next part I will be covering the OLL parity and the OLN. We will be solving this whole yellow part, and in the next part, in the fourth video, I will be covering the PLL parity. In this there are PLL parity also in the last when we are solving the whole cube. Okay, so that was it for this video. In the next part we will come on to the OLL part. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also, so that they also learn cubing in the easiest way. Thank you guys.